Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. And you can see over here I have the Glosbox X LMS limited edition. I'm quite excited to unbox this one for you guys. Now in this video up here I did give you guys all the information as to when this box was going on sale, the price, and also I showed you guys some sneak peek as well. So I'm hoping you've seen that video and you were able to get your hands on this box because it is sold out. But I'm here to unbox mine anyway for you guys because I usually do that, show some sneak peek, and then later when I receive my box I come over here and box it for you guys. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get into the unboxing now. The box looks like this. It is a light blue everywhere and I'm really excited. I already know a few products that I showed you guys in that video, but this is how the inside it looks like. Well packaged, I like that. All right, and we have a booklet over here. Now in this booklet we have all the products that is of course included in this box, and I'm not going to look because I want to be surprised, even though I already know, some of the few products. All right, so looks like this. Exciting already. And let me know in the comment section below, did you manage to get your hands on this box? Because you guys, the price was amazing. It was going for €35 for subscribers and for non-subscribers for €5. So sneak peek, this is what the inside looks like. All right, I'm going to begin with the product that I already own, I've used, and I love them. So the first product is this one right here, and this is Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I have showed you guys this product here in that video. This is such a great product for for removing your makeup, for just for washing your face in general, and the skincare, the makeup remover. I love it. It's absolutely wonderful. I have mine over here, as you can see. Yeah, I'm excited to get another one because it's something that I absolutely love. I'll show how the inside looks like with mine, of course, open. Looks like that, and the texture, it's more like that kind of texture, you can see right there. So yeah, I'm excited about this one here. All right, and this is 20 grams of product in here, that's what it says. Next up we have the toner, you guys. Now this product is absolutely amazing, smells delicious. It is soothing apricot toner, which looks like this. I have used it in the past, and M to the G, yes, I will definitely repurchasing this every time I finish it because it is that good. And yeah, amazing, and I'm so excited that it's in here. This is the full size 200 milliliter of product, you guys. Yes, this is amazing. All right, moving on, we have another cream here that I have, and this one is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which of course looks like this. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful, you guys. The packaging is always amazing, and I'll show I just dipped my finger in there. I'll show you how the inside looks like. Look at that. And smells, it smells so fresh. I wish you can feel the scent of this, you guys. Smells absolutely amazing. The whole entire box, when I first opened it, I could definitely feel the scent of this cream in there. This is wonderful. Absolutely love this. It is a day cream, by the way. Did I mention? It is a anti-wrinkle day cream, which I love. At the moment I have this one here, the resurfacing day cream, which I absolutely love as well. So I'm excited for this one to be joining the family. I love LMS skincare, you guys. They're absolutely the best. All right, so yeah. And the one that I have with this one here in the smaller tube, this one is about how many milliliter? How many? Yeah, 50 milliliter of product. That's the one I have, but I'm glad to get the bigger size, which is quite wonderful. All right, you guys, now the product that I haven't tried before and I'm excited to try them. The first one is of course the LMS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. Oh, this sounds amazing. I almost bought this one once from Beauty Bay, but I didn't. I think what stopped me? Was that the price or what? I don't remember what it was, but I think I was waiting for this to go on sale or something like that. But yeah, I'm glad just to get a sample. Not a sample, this is 50 or 30 milliliter of product. Yeah, I will try it and see how my skin is going to like it. Then I might go back and get a bigger size. It says here skin smoothing cleanser, and this is going to go perfect with my LMS dynamic resurfacing day cream, because they're of course the same family, as you can see right there. So wash your face and apply the day cream. I cannot wait for that. All right, moving on, we have this one here, which is their Pro Collagen 3 Acid Peel. I have never tried this product, you guys, but it looks like this right there. Okay, interesting already. Again, it says here anti-wrinkle 8% acid peel. All right, we're getting about 10 milliliter of product in here, and as always there's some instruction here on how to apply it and all that good stuff. So I cannot wait to try this product here, you guys. All right, we have our last product in here, and this is the papaya enzyme peel, and this one says advanced skincare 15 milliliter of product. And this, you guys, is the product. I have never tried this one here, but I'm quite excited to try it, of course. So yeah, again, it's smaller size, but if I like it, I'll go back and buy the full size. I like sometimes the idea of this, you know, just to give it a try, and then you buy a full size. We have some instruction in here. Apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with warm water and all that good stuff. So yeah, we'll be definitely doing that. And that was everything, you guys, in this LMS box. And I'll quickly show you how the pamphlet looks like. So we got all the products in there, and you guys, I'm really excited about this. I think this was a great box from Glossbox. I mean, you know, let's just recap. We have this cream here, a bigger size. We have a facial wash right here. We have the cleansing balm right there. We have also this Pro Collagen 3 Acid Peel. Oops, I almost dropped it. Right there. We have this right here, and I think I'm missing one. We have the toner as well. So all these products here, you guys, for 35 euros is such a great price, because these goodies here, especially from LMS, you guys, they don't come cheap. They are quite, you know, up there in price, because they're such a great product. That's why you pay more, but of course the results, it's, you know, it's amazing. And yeah, so if you were able to get your hands on this, let me know in the comment section below, because yeah, I'm really excited about this. So you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. I love to share, you guys. And yeah, also let me know if you love this kind of videos where I come and you know, show you guys some sneak peek and talk about when the launch is happening. If you like those kind of video, let me know in the comment section below, so I can continue to make those videos for you guys, because, you know, why not? If you love them, I don't mind making them. All right, thank you so much for watching today's video. Go have a good one, take care, and I shall catch you all wonderful people on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.